Good evening and welcome to this special episode of The Buck Stops Here. I'm Barkha Dutt. Uttar Pradesh is an election that is going to decide what happens next in New Delhi. It's an election in which Congress General Secretary Rahul Gandhi has staked his all, even though his sister Priyanka Gandhi says this is not a make-or-break election for him. On the program today, we'll be taking a close look at the Priyanka Gandhi factor. From the ground in Amethi and Raebareli, we follow Priyanka Gandhi on the election trail. We look at why she gets the kind of media attention she does and whether she will be an element that will have an impact on UP's electoral results.
होता है यहाँ खड़े होने की उसकी हिम्मत नहीं होनी चाहिए, वहाँ होना चाहिए नेता, और आपको यहाँ होना चाहिए।
Come election time and a cavalcade of cars and cameras will invariably head from Lucknow to Amethi, past the mustard fields and the Mufassal towns, navigating the rickety roads and the clouds of dust, to arrive at the family bastion of the Gandhi family. From Sanjay Gandhi to his brother Rajiv, from Sonia Gandhi to her son Rahul, Amethi has been synonymous with the Gandhis for decades. But the clamour of the cameras in election season is for someone who has never contested an election and, according to her, never will. In a high-stakes election for her brother, this time the buzz is all about whether Priyanka Gandhi will go beyond the family belt of Sultanpur, Raebareli and Amethi, where the Congress grabbed 7 of the 10 assembly segments in 2007. Will she don warrior mantle in the larger battleground of UP this time? The election has been pitched as an all-or-nothing bout for her brother, but her campaign speeches are understated on hyperbole, focusing instead on what she calls the need for change.
पिछले 22 सालों में देश के बाकी प्रदेश आगे बढ़े, उत्तर प्रदेश पीछे रह गया.
Annoyed by her ability to get consistent and insistent media coverage, despite the fact that she is an erratic presence in the state, the opposition has taunted her for being a parachuter, a seasonal visitor, as opposed to a committed insider.
जब बरसाती मेंढक की बात की गई है तो निश्चित तौर से चुनाव अगर कोई व्यक्ति अपनी गतिविधियां करता है तो निश्चित तौर से वो बरसाती मेंढक है. उत्तर प्रदेश में फुल टाइमर पॉलिटिकल और सोशल वर्कर चाहिए, ना कि होल टाइमर की आए और पिकनिक की और चले गए.
But unfazed, she has taunted them right back, with the phrase Barsati Mendak now becoming a new entrant in Uttar Pradesh's political lexicon.
मैं हूँ बरसाती मेंढक, लेकिन राहुल नहीं है. मैं चुनाव के लिए आती हूँ. बिल्कुल सर कि इसमें नकारने की क्या बात है. सबको मालूम है मैं चुनाव के संचालन के लिए आती हूँ. इसमें कुछ छुपाने की बात तो है नहीं. आपके बच्चों के भविष्य की बात है.
Most of Priyanka Gandhi's speeches have a singular theme, imploring the voters to make a change. Her now trademark political style is well chronicled on camera. The brisk walk reminiscent of her grandmother. The earthy embrace that is her very own. And the walking straight into a crowd of people, mingling with them freely. She is easily the most gregarious member of her otherwise media-shy and media-averse family, and ironically, the one person who is not in politics. Prompting many foreign journalists to wonder why she gets the media attention she does. Andrew Buncombe of The Independent asked on Twitter, what does it say about Indian democracy that unelected Priyanka's UP campaign is front page news? So why is Priyanka Gandhi often the media's favorite story?
Everyone is fascinated with every member of the Gandhi family. Then there's the question which used to be asked about Priyanka. Will she be the one who comes forward to lead the Congress party, or will it be Rahul? But now that we've answered that question, apparently there is still a lot of doubt in people's minds. People are always asking when or whether Priyanka will come into politics. But there's also the personal qualities of Priyanka. She is, and I've seen it with my own eyes, an extremely good campaigner. She has a very sympathetic way with crowds. She's very good at dealing with them. And of course also there is a certain physical resemblance between her and Indira Gandhi.
So over the 24 hours of her campaign, as day turns to night, wherever she goes, there's a camera lurking somewhere. Even when her car drops off the main road and weaves its way into the Kacha gullies of the interior villages to hold corner-side meetings like this one, there is a relentless curiosity about her. Behind me, Priyanka Gandhi in the middle of a road show, stopping every few kilometers to meet people door to door. Rahul Gandhi's UP formula worked for the Congress in the Lok Sabha elections. Now the big question is, can the formula replicate itself in the assembly elections? But one thing's for sure, given how much Rahul Gandhi has personally invested in this campaign, whatever happens, victory, defeat or an improvement will be associated with him. No wonder that Priyanka, who you see right behind me, mentions Rahul in every election speech. Priyanka Gandhi!
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.